Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the key features of the Redmi Note 10. The device is available in three variants: Shadow Black, Frost White, and Aqua Green. The phone has a rare quad camera setup. It houses the 48 megapixel primary camera that has the Sony IMX582 sensor. Along with that, we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter, 2 megapixel macro shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies and video chat, the phone comes with a 13 megapixel selfie camera at the front. The device is also capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second and Full HD videos at 30 and 60 frames per second. The Redmi Note 10 runs on Android 11 with the company's proprietary Miui 12 on top. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core SoC along with the Adreno 612 GPU. It has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There is a 4GB RAM variant available as well. This smartphone is well suited for everyday use as well as gaming and watching videos. The Note 10 has a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400. The phone also comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection against accidental scratches and drops. The Redmi Note 10 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging. Xiaomi claims that you can charge the device up to 100% in little over an hour. And those are some of the features that you should keep in mind while buying the Redmi Note 10. Thanks for watching.